Hello there everyone. In this video, we're going to be doing a step-by-step guide on how to draw a stick figure. So, with me, I have my sister here. She's going to be helping me with this video. That's why we have not one, but two pieces of paper. So, let's go over here, get your images, and the first thing you need to do to draw a stick figure is to draw a circle. Like this. We both have circles on our paper. Then, you draw two dots towards the top of the circle, and one in the middle. This doesn't correspond to an actual face, but most people do it like this anyway. Towards the bottom of the circle, draw a kind of like a V, but more rounded. Then, underneath the circle, draw a long line going down from it, about twice as long as the circle. Then, there's two methods to the next part. One of us is going to do one, the other is going to do the other. First method, towards the top of it, draw a line going across about the same length as the line you just drew. The second method is to draw two lines, each going upward from about the same point and about the same length, which Kira is going to do here. Finally, you need to draw the rest of the stick figure. So, we're going to draw two lines about the same length as the ones up here, but they're going downward at a slope. After that, you can add whatever you want to your stick figure to patch it up, but this is how you draw a basic stick figure. So now, after we're done, we're going to show the drawings up close to the camera for you guys. Here. So this is the one I drew. Pretty good stick figure, as you can see. And we're going to look at the other one. That one has a flower and a hat. Extra decorations to add to the stick figure. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see the video next time.